Day 2. Eventful day last night. Tried to get into the club. And like, I thought I didn't leave Toronto, but I guess I'm still in Toronto somehow. Mans are denying mans, but letting other mans in. Oh, okay. Type shit.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
I don't know what it is.
You gotta remind me though.
Phil man Bob's though. Phil man Bob's. Bape Store vibes. It was actually a little underwhelming.
This is not New York. I think New York would be better.
Yeah, I think I might save Bape for Japan.
Yeah.
Oh, is that CDG?
This store has to be cool.
Yeah, that's the same store that you said was like low end. Isabel Marant?
They might have like Isabel Marant. Do you want to check the store or no?
So you guys, whatever.
Yeah.
So there's more, I guess, cooler shops.
Shopper. Brother, your calves are on like fire right now. Your calves are on fire, bro. Calves are going stoops. Yeah, this looks like a Bobby-esque store right now.
It's not
Bobby-esque.
No, it's not expensive enough for me.
I've seen a lot of people in this. It's like with the heart on it. I actually made so many drops right now.
Well, it's just all Kanye shots.
Yeah.
It is very Kanye.
Bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich? You said you don't eat salad, bro. You guys clearly diving into a green salad.
I won't order a salad, but if it's there, I'll eat it. We're at the apple salad.
Gio, how's that?
Delicious.
This guy's such a shorty, dog. Yo, why is there so much action at this falafel place, man?
It's actually good, but it's
good.
It's not. I don't know if it's worth that long of a wait.
That line is at least an hour or 2 hours.
No, there's a guy that takes your order. Takes your order in line.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's crazy.
They got Brazilian street food.
It actually looks good.
This is
Just a vintage shop here if you wanted to check it out.
little tourist vibes. Top tourist. So this is the Arc de Triomphe. It's to honor the French Revolution.
Yeah. And then
Bro, I know half these people don't even know what they're taking a picture of. Bro, half these people are just here because it's the famous.
It's probably the same as the Eiffel Tower.
What does it represent? We're about to go check out the Eiffel Tower shortly. What's up, guys? We're here. We're at Pret a Manger. Right? Something like that?
No,
Pret.
No, Pret a Manger.
Huh? Pret a Manger. You know, and this drink was great. And à Paris. Let's go see the Eiffel Tower. It's the only reason I'm here. It's literally the only reason. Me and Gio only came here to see the Eiffel Tower. That's it. I mean, besides that, everything else is added. Didn't come here for crepes or crepe. Didn't come here for Parisian women. Didn't come here for, what's are they known for? Oh, baguette. Yes, baguette. Didn't come here to taste cha time. No, just here, you know what I mean? Type shit. Oh, we got some clothes today. Yeah. Got some clothes today. Got this jaw. Napajuri. I think it's Italian brand. Went to the vintage shop, copped that. And I copped this dope Celtic jersey. Fire. Vintage. Authentic too. Come on, man. See the vibes. Want to wear this in London and go around all the blokes and say, "What's up, bruv?" In it. I'm gonna yell at the top of my lungs when I get to London. Say, "What's up, bruv?" In it. That's exactly what I'm saying. Let me tell y'all, Paris has baddies. Don't come here with a girl. This is crazy. Everywhere I turn, I see a light-skinned girl with a Palm Angels. That's insane. A lie, cameraman? Apparently that's where Princess Diana died. Very interesting. I didn't know that. Right here? Coming down this way. And then right here. It's pretty intense. Kinda intense, bruv. That's where she died for real, eh? Right there? It's pretty intense.
I guess so. I don't know.
I guess so. Anyways, that's the reason why I came here, though. Right over there. It's actually much bigger than you think. It's actually huge. Jesus. I would picture here would be extremely busy. I'm surprised we even have like.
Yeah, there's the other side with the fountain. Yeah, and that's also unique.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the fountain I was telling you about in rush hour. Where they, wait, remember when they flew down? That was a hilarious.
What number was that?
It's 3, huh? 3 or 2? No, it's not 1.
Definitely not 1. 2 was,
What? I think 1 he was Chris Tucker was dancing in the street at the beginning.
2's in Asia.
2's in Asia.
3.
Yeah.
I think it was 3.
It had to be 3. Oh, 4's coming out soon. Rush hour.
Where was 1 at?
That was the States, yeah. California. I'm eating baguette. to try that baguette just now myself. Is that for me? Oh, this guy's such a nice guy. It's my first baguette with cheese and what is this? Type of meat?
Ham.
Ham?
Hamel. Spanish cheese. The cheese is okay. The French cheese is always like a weird flavor taste.
That's really good.
No,
That's so good. Oh my god. With the Eiffel Tower too? Come on, man. These body and bobs.
Why take this?
Where is he? That's right there. Bees bullying you, fam.
Can't take this napkin.
I'm trying to go inside the meat. I said, oh, hey, yo, let me inside the meat. $100,000 a year to be a beekeeper. You're doing it?
Is that what it is?
No, like if you
Oh.
somebody were to pay you $100K a year to become a beekeeper, possibility, of course, of getting sting multiple times. Would you do it?
I think I'd be a beekeeper tomorrow, bro.
Do a beekeeper tomorrow. You guys are practically best friends, eh? At this point. Cheers, Gio.
Thanks, bro.
Cheers, brother.
Yes, sir, ski. We're at a Vietnamese Thai restaurant right now. Is it Vietnamese Thai?
I don't know. This one might just be.
This one seems like it's just Viet. Yeah, we just ordered some food.
Why would it open up? Oh, it's a restaurant.
Not
It's
a
not. It's a nightclub.
Viet
No, but it was
restaurant.
food.
But got sweet and sour pork.
Yeah, it's probably
Rice, you know. What you guys get?
Vermicelli with like meats.
Yeah.
Yes.
This guy lockdown defended you in the corner, dog. That's how he moved. That's how he moved from here.
I was instantly sweating.
Yeah. This guy's like, whoa, this is way too much.
I'll move out of it. Check it out, bro.
What'd you say? Oh, if you guys,
That's why I was gonna get the phone line.
it's like you'd be boiling in here.
Oh my god.
That's steam from the broth. Food arrived.
Put your camera in some water.
Yeah,
I think it's okay.
you know, dig it in. Tell him my guy Bob's to breathe, yo. This guy choking on his food. How's it though, boys? Good? What'd you get? Same thing, right?
Yeah, vermicelli with like fried meats.
Okay. What's like a bunch of meats and stuff? It's fire. Got a little sweet and sour. Rice, you know? Super hot. It burnt my tongue. Sauce was fire. Sauce was really good. They popped the bottle. I do a little wine chill today. You know, all these Nutella biscuits, Doritos paprika, the chill night. These biscuits are a problem. Well, thank you, good sir. That's a good guy, eh? Good. Cheers, my guys.
Look me in the eye.
Huh? Oh, look you in the eye. Yeah, my bad. Yeah.
7 years of
Yeah. Look you in the eye. While I drink you. Well, this is valid. Okay. That's the Airbnb host's favorite wine.